Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S95 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store and search for Battery Sound Notification app. Install it. Now open. Tap plus in the right corner. Select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text to speech.
Disconnected.
When it's done, name your function, give it description and tap this button to save. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.